Hello there. At the outset, a very happy new year to you and your family. Welcome to the first ever session of this YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Anley Anthony, and together with my friend and colleague, Dr. Naveen Radhakrishnan, this is our humble attempt at making anatomy interesting, engaging, easy to understand, easy to recollect and reproduce. In other words, keep it simple. So with that basic understanding, let us begin this first session by seeing how to schematically represent the simple squamous epithelium. So in this video, what we are going to see is how do you draw the squamous epithelium. Actually, we are going to talk about two views. One is the aerial view. In the aerial view, as you can see, they are drawn quite close by. Sometimes they even touch each other. Okay, so this is how you will draw the squamous epithelium, and then what you have to do is you have to show the staining of the eosin. You're drawing the diagram with the help of the eosin pencil, and you have to show the staining of the cytoplasm by shading the inner aspect of the cells. So within the margin you have to stain. So I'm doing over here is staining the squamous cells. So this is the view, that's the view from above. The black circle that you see is the field of vision, that is the view through the microscope. Now after the epithelium has been drawn, what we have to do is we have to show the nucleus. Okay, so that's the nucleus. There's a nucleus over here and there's a nucleus there too. Okay, I would suggest you start learning to draw with the color pencils itself, that is the eosin hematoxin pencils, because during the exam time you will not have time to first draw with the lead pencil or the black pencil and then highlight it again. So start learning to draw directly with the color pencils. You can get it through practice, don't worry about that. Okay, so this is the aerial view of the squamous epithelium. Now let us look at the lateral view. How are you supposed to draw the lateral view? So for that, the first thing you're supposed to draw is always the basement membrane. Okay, always start by drawing the basement membrane. Now as far as the squamous epithelium is concerned, the easy way to remember is you have to remember a wave pattern. Goes up, touches down on the basement membrane, goes up, touches down the basement membrane again, goes up, touches down again, goes up, touches down again. Okay, and then since it's thin cytoplasm, we stain that by the help of the eosin pencil. Okay, so you're staining the cytoplasm by the help of the eosin pencil. Like I told you before, go up, then you touch down the basement membrane, you go up again, then touch again down on the basement membrane, you go up again, touch the basement membrane. And this bulge is basically caused by the presence of the cytoplasm, for the presence of the nucleus. So that bulge, that should be, the nucleus that you draw should touch the basement membrane as well as the top part of the cell. Okay, so touch the top part of the cell also. Okay, so this is how you draw the squamous epithelium lateral view. Now a few of the common mistakes that the students draw when they do, so I'll just show that one. But after we tell them to draw the squamous epithelium, some of them draw it like this. And then they stain the cytoplasm and they form the nucleus. This, for your kind information, is wrong. Okay, then another method that the students follow is they'll draw the basement membrane, okay, And then what happens is, this is how they draw this squamous epithelium. Okay, that also is wrong. Okay, and the last one that we've seen is students doing is the black line, the black circle that you see is the field of vision. What the students do is, see that also is wrong. Okay, so please remember, you have to first draw the basement membrane. Okay, and on top of that the cells have to go in a wave pattern. Okay, that is the right way of drawing the squamous epithelium lateral view. We hope you found this session useful. If anything was not clear during the video, please feel free to view the video as many times as you like. If you like the video, please do let us know by giving us a thumbs up. And do share this with others whom you think might benefit from this session. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon for any future notifications. So till we meet next time, stay safe and God bless.